Welcome to Wild Money Entertainments. And I'm CJ, and we open up all kinds of things. Today is Saturday, and on Saturdays, we deal with freebies. Anything I get free, we deal with DIY items, hauling, anything that saves money or that costs no money. Always in my description below on Saturdays, I leave a website that I get free samples, or they hook me up with companies that give out free things to get ahead and review for your home, or if you want to add it to your videos. Okay, so let's get down to it. I received this package and I don't know where it's from, not until I open it. It's not a box. It's normally never a box on Saturdays. And a venture awaits. Grab this and get it going. Okay. This is from Marlboro. And remember, I told you I don't smoke anymore, but I do have friends who smoke cigarettes. And I get coupons and I give it to them. And in return, I get stuff like this. This is cool. This is a free Zippo Lighter. Okay. And this is not just a Zippo. On the back of this says genuine Zippo lighters. And if anybody knows what makes a Zippo lighter Zippo, it's made in the USA, and Zippo lighters go back when lighters first ever started. And they're good for outdoors, indoors. They constantly work all the time. And this is the Zippo. And look what it says inside. Okay. This is an official Zippo. Okay. They do not anymore put fluids in lighters. So, unfortunately, you have to go buy your own fluid now to be able to try this out. Opens and closes easily. Nice flint. This part always lifts up. For those youngins that don't know about Zippos, this part opens. This is where you lift this up and you put your fluid in here, in that little hole. This part is for your flint. And that's it. And then you latch this back down. And there you go. A lot of people say, well, if you don't smoke, what you need a lighter for? I light incense. I go camping. A Zippo is excellent when you're outdoors because the flame doesn't blow away. You don't have to worry about recharging it. It's lights really easy, gives a nice thick flame. I love incense. I love candles. It's always good to maybe have a Zippo in your house. But this Zippo is going to be a Christmas gift. And I don't know to who. So, remember what I said, that I am giving out 5 Christmas gifts to 5 subbies. I'm just not going to put their name up or anything like that. I'm just going to contact them privately and say, hey, you want a Christmas gift? Do you want it? I don't push my gifts. I tell you, you want a gift, how to contact me. In my description below is my email address. It's always in there. Email me, mail me through YouTube. I just got a mail through YouTube. Never knew that you can get a message through YouTube. So I'm learning so much. Message me, say, yeah, I want that. This is where you can send it to, and I sent it. That's it. So, this is a Zippo, and it was free. And Zippo lighters are expensive, so I'm happy. Throw a like up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button, because you want to see more of my thing.